We are pleased to show you the 2021 Challenger. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find trip computer, universal garage door opener, compass. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.